we're getting ready for school. I'm just gonna brush my teeth and put my contacts in before I take them. This is probably really weird to show you, but this is my favorite toothpaste. It's just really gentle. It's for sensitive teeth. I just love the mint flavor. It's fresh. It's mint burst in a gel form. So it's not too minty or anything. I'm gonna put my contacts in first, and then I'll put a little bit of face moisturizer on just to help me feel awake. I kind of want to get, they have like some sort of refreshing like morning face mist from, I think it's Origins brand, and I kind of want to get it to try it out. All of my mists are like for makeup setting, not for just like randomly spraying on your face. Or I should get the Mario Badescu one. Are you guys dressed yet? Get your shoes on when you're done, okay?
Okay.
We gotta go really soon, so hurry. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some of my face moisturizer on. It's the Laneige Hydrating Gel. Just gonna go put some chapstick on and I will be good to go.
Mom, I don't want my shoes off.
Where'd you take them off at, sweetie? Come on, go look in my room or something. Hustle. Get your stuff on, girl. I gotta brush Olive's hair. It looks like a poofy mess. So this is the little detangler spray I like to use. It's L'Oreal Kids. Paraben free. It's a Tangle Tamer for wet and dry hair. It's sweet pear. It works pretty good and it smells super good. Turn around. Turn around so you can show them. I just spray like the tiniest amount. I don't even do like a full squirt, just because it sprays kind of crazy.
Yeah, like
It would probably be good if we poured it into one of my makeup setting spray bottles actually, so it's more of a finer mist. As you can see, it just kind of tames her hair so it doesn't look as crazy from the night before. There you go. Now it's all pretty in the back. Say cheese. All ready. So we just got home from dropping Micah off at school, and it is like 9:20 in the morning. I'm just gonna make myself some coffee, and today's just gonna be kind of like a chill day. I don't have very much of anything really planned. I'm just gonna clean up, probably relax a little bit. I still haven't eaten anything, so I'll probably eat some breakfast. I'm gonna make cheeseburgers for dinner, which I actually have never made burgers for dinner. So I'm excited to see how that goes. And then later tonight, I'm gonna take the kids to my grandma's house because I work tomorrow and I start work really early in the morning. So she lets me bring them like the night before so I don't have to drop them off in the morning, which is super nice and helpful. So I just made my coffee here. And then I have just some cereal. It's like Special K with strawberries in it, dried strawberries. And then usually what I'll do like when I eat breakfast is like watch YouTube videos or just catch up on like some shows that I like or whatever. So I'm just gonna do that. And then after that, I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. It's okay, just say, look, it's the same color.
okay.
Show them, hold it up to the camera. Yep, and then your blanket.
Thank you.
Yeah, same color, huh?
Yes, it's same color.
So cool.
Oh.
And then I have my beauty blender here. It's already dampened with water. And I'm gonna go in with the NARS foundation. And you guys will see, like, I have this pimple here and it's like really nasty and red. And it like literally, the lighting here is not very good, but it covers like everything. Like, look at that, it's like gone. And once it's like covered, I try not to pat over it too much more because I feel like that the more you pat, the more it takes off product. So once I have the coverage that I like, I kind of just stop patting over. I like to make sure I really get in like the sides of my nose, because it's hard for product to get like stay there, I noticed. This angle is like really not flattering. I'm sorry, guys. I have the camera on my little stand here, but it's like not quite tall enough, and I don't have a lot of counter space to set it on. So just like that, like literally everything is covered. It's so much better than that Bobbi Brown foundation if you like full coverage. I like full coverage. And then I just take whatever is left, like I don't have very much left on my hand, and I like to just drag it down my neck to make sure that it all blends in together. Just like that. And then I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, of course. Okay, so just like that, and then I'm done with my makeup. You can probably see it better here. And it just looks really pretty and simple, easy. So now I'm just going to try to clean up the kitchen. I have about 30 minutes before I have to go pick Micah up. So I'm just going to clean the kitchen, and then I will see you guys in a little bit. So we just picked Micah up from school, and now we're just driving home. We literally live like 5 minutes away from Micah's school, so it's like super nice.
Yeah.
We can get there really quickly.
Yeah. And all the boys were at my table. 1, 2, 3, 4 was boys at my table.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought Olivia was sitting at your table.
No, no, you don't get maths. You don't get maths when you do free time or the tabletop games. Or
Oh, you can just choose who you want to sit by.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, time to get out.
So, yeah.
That's nice.
That's not I think this, my friend.
Yeah. We're just eating lunch now. Micah already ate his food, so he's off playing. But I made, I just reheated them some macaroni and cheese that I made. It's just homemade macaroni and cheese with broccoli in it. And then I made myself a bagel sandwich. It has bagel, cream cheese, and ham. If you haven't tried it, it's really good. And I toast the bagel too, so it's like nice and warm. It's really good. And I also am drinking, Olive's having water, but I'm also drinking the Simple Truth Organic Kombucha Raspberry Hibiscus. This is my favorite flavor. It's really good. And it has 11 sugars in it, which I'm pretty sure it used to only have like 8 sugars, so that kind of sucks. But kombucha is really good for you, and it's carbonated, so it is kind of like a healthier alternative to soda, and it doesn't taste gross, I promise you, or else I wouldn't drink it. And it has a lot less sugar than a soda would, so we try to buy a couple of these a week just so we don't buy soda. I was thinking about doing a video dedicated to like my favorite kombucha drinks and like how they taste and stuff. So if you're interested, let me know. That one bagel like fills me up, and I'll be good till dinner. I'm gonna let the kids play for a little longer. They're just in the bedroom playing on their tablet right now, and then it's gonna be nap time for them. We're just on our way to Grandma's house right now.
Yeah. Or grandma's.
Yep, Grandma Kathy.
Grandma Kathy.
Grandma
Kathy.
I made those burgers for dinner. I have a picture. I can try to insert it, but they were really good. Really good. We put some lettuce, tomato. Oh, there's cops over there. Oh, gosh. Oh, they have someone like arrested. Oh, no, he's not arrested. Yeah, look, there's a train, guys.
Yeah.
There's a train.
Mommy, this is going to be all done.
What, the train?
Yeah.
I don't know. Looks like it's a long one. Ew, this is all melted. Oh my gosh. I left this candy bag in my car and it's all melted.
Ha!
Gross.
You want to eat those.
I should throw that away.
No, it's
before it gets all over.
No, don't talk about. Oh.
Good thing I got gas the other day, so I don't have to get gas.
Yeah.
I got gas on Monday. Oh, the train's all done. They're doing so much road work around our, like, neighborhood area in our city, I guess. They've put up a whole bunch of red light cameras on, like, a lot of the, traffic lights that we go through. So I'm always, like, nervous about the light turning red. I want it to flash me, get a ticket. Alright guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. It's like 9:30 at night and I'm really tired. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!